okay?
Oh, yes, yes. Regalia of the kingdom. When I came, I was going to Africa.
Of course I know you. She did say you're covered, isn't it?
I'm Sidra Naeem. I was the first BAME person in Essex to become a Deputy Lord Lieutenant. So that's a little bit about me. And the most famous person I've met is the Queen.
Wow.
What does he get any better than that?
Thank you. And I do feel very privileged to be invited here. I didn't know I was going to give a speech, so that was just landed on me. I think that it's really, really nice that you've included so many different types of people, and not everybody here is black as well, and all different faiths. And I think that that is just so good, you know. There are people here from all different backgrounds, people, you know, who live in Basildon, people who don't live in Basildon, all different colours, all different faiths. And that's the way that, you know, we should be living, because at the end of the day, England is a multicultural country, and we all need to live peacefully together in harmony, and we need to understand other people's culture. I mean, just by coming here, I've learnt so much today. You know, the way everybody's dressed so nicely, and the different kinds of food, and you know, the Prince system and things like that. So, you know, we need to learn about different people's faiths and cultures, and that's the only way that we can then diminish all the stigma and all the bad that we hear, you know, in the media and everything. So I think it's really nice that, you know, the black community are becoming stronger now in Basildon. I used to work here in St Margaret's School. I was just telling Reverend David, and in those days, 1999, there was hardly any, you know, black community in Basildon. So it's really nice, you know, in you know, such a town that, you know, diversity has now included in there. In terms of the Queen, don't forget she was the head of the Commonwealth, and when I went to meet her in Buckingham Palace, it was actually a Commonwealth event, and there was huge respect for all the countries really that the British owned at one stage. And you know, she knew a lot actually. I was very, very surprised. She knew a lot about culture and everything, because she travels often to those Commonwealth countries. So well done everybody, and I think this is a fantastic event, and you need to keep this up, and very well organised as well, and everybody's really, really happy. So I'm looking forward to the rest of the event. So thank you so much.
I want to find that. So they simply have to. So they simply have to exist.